सैन्य सचिव पीछे थे जबकि एडीसी आगे चल रहे हैं।
Just to tell you what will happen here on in just the next few minutes, we are told that about in just a short while, when President Murmu will be arriving at about 10:48, we are told the procession you're going to witness will just be entering into at the Gaj Dwar, and where the marshals will take the Sengol, over which the showdown has already started. Prime Minister will be one of the first to appear. It had been raining just about a short while ago, but what a visual treat, isn't it? This is what National Capital, this is what the VVIP zone has been about. The presidential estate, and about a kilometre from there is the new Parliament building. A military tradition, of course, whose origins are in history. There is, of course, a British era reflection here, but then it also shows how, with a lot of pride and taking the best from it, we are moving toward a modern democracy. From the Rashtrapati Bhavan to the new Sansad, the Naya Sansad that has been constructed, where there will be the best of discussions and debates this time that India has known to be. A vocal, thriving democracy, and as the skilled, trained horseman, protecting the president of the country. And even the appointment of the president is a reflection of the diversity, the opportunities that we have seen in our great grand country.
अपने आप में काफ़ी मनमोहक की तस्वीरें, और ख़ासतौर से जिस तरीके से जो मौसम है वो भी आज खुशगवार नज़र आ रहा है। हालांकि जो देश की जनता है उनको इंतज़ार भी था कि राष्ट्रपति जब राष्ट्रपति भवन से प्रस्थान करेंगी तो क्या वो शाही बग्गी में नज़र आएंगी, लेकिन मौसम जिस तरह का है उसके चलते फिलहाल इन तस्वीरों में हम देख सकते हैं राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू।
Remember, all of this may appear ceremonial in nature, but it is also reflective of the sort of security arrangements that would have been made. Vehicles that you see behind the cavalcade of the president, all of this to ensure that the sort of procession that is instructed here, look at, and you could see a glimpse of the security personnel to ensure all of this is smooth, passes peacefully. Everything is put at a pause here in nearby. All the checks are done. And this historic grand procession, going by the tradition, history into modernity, and with the sort of smooth nature that Indians have managed to do it, to have a thriving democracy with the diversity that we boast of in this country, the opportunities that have been given for one and all, equality, liberty, freedom for one and all, that is reflective from the Rashtrapati Bhavan to the Naya Sansad.
राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू। संसद भवन में राष्ट्रपति का ये जो कारवां है प्रवेश करते हुए, और उससे कुछ देर बाद जैसा लगातार आपको हम बता रहे हैं जो अभिभाषण है वो होगा राष्ट्रपति का, जिसमें न सिर्फ सरकार की जो नीतियां रही हैं किस तरीके से कारगर रही, बल्कि जो
the next few minutes, just to inform you that they have entered into the parliament premises. You see around you the new parliament building premises. Behind that, of course, the government buildings that can still be seen, and the old parliament, the president's bodyguard, walking in rhythm, remember, even the horse is so skilled. Now the tap of the horses, the movement, all of this is precisely coordinated. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar being received and welcomed by Prime Minister Modi. Behind him, Parliamentary Affairs Minister now, Kiran Rijiju. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Like I mentioned earlier, all of this is coordinated as scheduled to the T, to the point. Nothing is out of place. Everything that you see has been rehearsed, practiced, coordinated, skilled men. What you may think are just for the ceremony are extremely trained to protect the most VVIP of this country, the president. They've entered into the parliament premises, and in just a short while, like I mentioned earlier, they are going to be received by the Prime Minister. Proceeding toward now the dais of the Lok Sabha chamber. The procession is almost there in the next few seconds. And just to give you an update on how it functions is, even it is decided who will sit where. That seating arrangement is also all pre-decided.
इन तस्वीरों में आप देख सकते हैं सीधी तस्वीरें
reflective of the glorious tradition of this country and how we have moved on successfully as an independent nation, keeping the best of our history and skills and traditions, not forgetting it, but also heading toward the democracy that the world notices. We are the world's largest democracy after all, and we continue to be thriving. Remember, while many tried to cast aspersions on the democratic process of the country, but what did you see but a successful election and then a smooth transition to the next government? Despite the differences, with all the diversity in place, India continues to keep its flag flying high. The world takes note of how India functions with its democracy, with all its differences, and ensures that we do reflect to the world of how best to function as a nation that is still young, remember, in many ways. And yet, the stability and strength that specifically is being acknowledged and noticed finally in the global order. So there the President cavalcade has reached. Finally, the entry into the Naya Sansad building. Awaiting there already, Prime Minister Modi, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju. You can see them. The moment President Murmu comes out and alights at the location, she will then be escorted and accompanied right inside. Let's go across to the sound and the visuals coming in from the Parliament.
संसद भवन के द्वार, सीधी तस्वीरें आप देख सकते हैं। संसद भवन के गज द्वार से सीधी तस्वीरें अपने टेलीविजन स्क्रीन पर संसद टीवी के माध्यम से राष्ट्रपति पहुंच गई हैं। उपराष्ट्रपति, प्रधानमंत्री वहां पर मौजूद हैं। संसदीय कार्य मंत्री किरण रिजिजू भी वहां पर मौजूद हैं। और राष्ट्रपति अपने वाहन से बाहर आए। उपराष्ट्रपति, प्रधानमंत्री, लोकसभा अध्यक्ष ने उनका स्वागत किया। गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर दिया जाता हुआ राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू को। सलामी के पश्चात राष्ट्रपति संसद भवन के भीतर जाती हुई। उपराष्ट्रपति जगदीप धनखड़, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी, लोकसभा अध्यक्ष ओम बिरला, संसदीय कार्य मंत्री किरण रिजिजू साथ में उपस्थित। और ये ऐतिहासिक सेंगोल पर जी हां, पारंपरिक राजदंड सेंगोल की अगुवाई में निचले सदन के कक्ष तक।
It's a real moment where we see the Sengol that's leading from the front with President Draupadi Murmu, who's the head of state, head of parliament, addressing a joint session today as the 18th Lok Sabha has begun. You see President Draupadi Murmu, who's headed towards the Sansad. Those are the live images that we are beaming for you. This is significant. It starts off the 18th Lok Sabha as a joint session. President Draupadi Murmu will be addressing the parliament today, both houses. First, the presidential address after the formation of the third NDA government.